So if you're anything like me, you love smelling amazing, right? You find that signature scent, you're like, oh my God, where have you been my whole life? You spritz it on, right? And then you're rocking it for a little while, but then you're like, damn, I wish it lasted longer. I wish it projected better. Gentlemen, today, I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite fragrance hacks to make your scent last 5 times longer. Now, we've talked before about the importance of making sure that you apply fragrance to moisturized skin. So after the shower, you get out, put a little moisturizer on. This is going to prevent the fragrance from soaking in, right? But unfortunately, it still doesn't solve the problem 100%. But what does is a little dab of Vaseline. All you do, right? You got your pulse points. Maybe you're going neck, maybe you're going wrist, wherever yours is, right? Get a little dab and just place it on your pulse points of preference. While I'm at it, I'm gonna give myself a little business on the wrist because that is also a pulse point I enjoy. And then what am I gonna do? I'll show you. Then I'm gonna take my fragrance, boom, right there, boom, right there, boom, right there. And what's happening, because you actually applied the petroleum jelly directly to your skin, you are preventing your fragrance from soaking in. The reason is because the petroleum jelly actually acts as like a barrier, right? It sits on top of the skin. It doesn't absorb in. And so when you apply your fragrance on top of that, it hangs out a little bit better. It's still going to get the projection because the skin underneath is going to still heat up, but it's just not going to soak in. Gentlemen, try a little petroleum jelly to make your fragrance last 5 times longer.